your safety, remain seated throughout your journey, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your car. And please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your trip.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuide a sus niños. Gracias.
Please step carefully onto the moving platform, then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated throughout your journey.
Your quiet and carefree highway in the sky. We invite you to sit back and relax and enjoy your inside tour. Today while visiting this land of tomorrow.
You can see the roller coaster.
The Peoplemover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
I don't know what you're going to do with all those.
Remember we did the last floor and you got picked, Kate?
What?
We did the last floor and you got picked.
There's a parade going on. That's why the lines were so short. Big smell.
And now, the Tomorrowland Transit Authority proudly presents Progress City, Walt Disney's dream for an experimental prototype community in Tomorrow Walt Disneyland.
That was his first red pot, smelling like a pot.
If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy. At the Tomorrowland Speedway, with the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
I hope so. What do you do with yours? Here you go. See it. That is going to be so cool.
We're now entering one of the real wonders of our world, Space Mountain. Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and careen through the cosmos.
Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
Welcome back to Tomorrowland. Be sure to visit Space Mountain while you're here for an adventure that's out of this world. Inside this rotating pier, 4 families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day. Space Ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy. So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor. Share the fun.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
Our Red Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops. Thank you for joining us on the Tomorrowland.